my name's Megan and I'm a solicitor at Lynch Family Lawyers. Today I'll be discussing separation and divorce and what's the difference between the two. Not surprisingly, a lot of people use the term divorce to refer to a whole range of aspects following the breakdown of their marriage. In legal terms, separation occurs when at least one person decides to separate, and they act on this decision and communicate it with the other person. Usually separation involves some sort of physical separation, like when one person moves out of the joint residence. But separation doesn't necessarily need to include one party moving out of the joint home, and the law recognises this as separation under one roof. As there is no paperwork or certificate issued to signify separation, the date of separation is often subject to dispute, particularly where parties have remained living under one roof. So to establish when separation occurred, there are a few key indicators to look out for. This includes things like when the parties no longer share a bedroom together, they don't share meals together and the domestic duties of a home, and also when they no longer share money and joint bank accounts. Distinctly, divorce is a severance of a marriage. It involves a specific application which, when granted by a court, issues a certificate which confirms you're no longer legally married. You can only apply for divorce when you've been separated for at least 12 months. Now, a divorce doesn't deal with any other disputes which may be ongoing following the breakdown of a marriage, things like parenting arrangements and property settlements. Unlike a divorce, these matters can be resolved anytime following separation. It is important to note, though, that once divorce has been finalised, there is only 12 months to apply for a property settlement. So here at Lynch Family Lawyers, we understand that everyone's circumstances are different. Please give us a call to assist with your family matters.